Oh, what's going on? Optics matter. What's going on? Happy Monday. What's the news? What's the news? What is going on? Y'all see the action today? Like, I kid you not. Like, I wish Gtii and Fngr could have used that. I wish Mullen could have used that, since I see Matt K there talking about my mom. Your mommy. Oh my god, dude, it feels like it's been a while since I last streamed. It must have felt like a long weekend too. You even got DJT trying to get some action too as well, and fun. OCGN was almost 14% too, man. That was some crazy action for sure, man. I love it. I love to see it. I love to see it, man. but you won't be able to see my mama. No, my mama mine, not your mama. Oh man, I was just actually here. I'm just here editing some things here and testing out these EMA clouds. I think if I just put it out like that, I think it works. I don't know. I'm just seeing what's up. Was that shorts covering? I mean, I could speculate that maybe one or two firms that were in the deep with AMC and GME, they decided to just tap out and call it quits and started covering, their positions and go bye-bye. And yeah, dude. But the thing is, in my opinion, and of course, everything that I say in this stream and on the chat is just strictly in our opinion. And this is not financial advice. All right, you're your own decision maker of your own money and your investments. All right, as long as you're playing it safe. Just a reminder to all of you. Welcome back to another edition of this stream with yours truly, Lion of All Trades. And show some love. Hit that like if you like this chill content. In your honest opinion, yeah. When you say it seems similar to what Mullen did a month ago, huge volume with a small price increase, but not as much as it seems like it should be. I mean, it could be nakeds, if we can look at Mullen real quick. Where was that? Are you talking about the recent action, Mullen? Like here, from April 22nd all the way to April 29th, we had this rally from 236 on the low here to a high of 774. And if we can, let's see, maybe we can just calculate it on the weekly since it's more easier. The first huge candle, right? Good lord. All right. I like these clouds. They're interesting. All right, because for some reason I have to really zoom in. I have to really zoom in on here. And okay, so this week was about 17.5 million, 136 million, and 68 million for these 3 weekly candles. So you're gosh, talking about like maybe over 220 million shares traded in 3 weeks. And what, for just what, from 236 to 785? That's I don't think that's much of a movement, to be honest. Hey, Barbara, welcome back. I don't think I've ever seen optics matter before on the stream, but just in case, welcome in. Appreciate you coming by. Okay, so the monthly in general, the month of April, had resulted in a total of 149,692. 149,692,053 shares traded, and with only a $5.09 range. And this month so far, with just 84,478,629 shares in volume, which is only a $3.72 range. So compare that to AMC. Let's check out AMC real quick. And it's funny how they both have a low of 238. Isn't that ironic? So in in this month alone, within these past 13 days, including today, we're talking about a volume of 737,754,194 shares traded in just 13 days. Well, I should say 10. I don't know. That's excluding the weekend. But for a $3.05 move, with that many shares traded in this month, that's crazy to me. That is beyond crazy. That's pretty much the whole float and a half traded. But for a small move like that, I don't know. I don't think it quite makes sense to me. What do you guys think? Madgun, welcome back. Nzali, good morning. Sunshine. Time to wake and bake and drink some coffee. Yeah, so because if I'm not mistaken, right, huge volume, small movement. When it's supposed to be huge volume, huge movement, and with shares outstanding being less than what the volume was traded, if that makes sense. So I wanna say that this rally that we're having with AMC and GME, it's questionable. It's questionable with that observation, and with the observation with Matt K, of course, and Zelly. AMC closed in the after hours at 6:40. 6:40. You know that? So in the after hours, it still ran an extra. So a total of that's in combination with market and after hours, 119+%. So that is, look, we even have GME went up in the after hours at 36.90. 36.90. So it actually tried to test the day's high of $38.20. And so you're pretty much looking at AMC and GME today of over 100% gain, over 110% actually, and on the day. Then you had COS, which was one of the other original stocks within the whole AMC GME debacle in January 28th, 2021, and that also ripped a good amount, around plus 50%, and that's also carrying the same algorithm as AMC and GME. Then you have stocks like Rent as well. You have Tupperware. Look at the way the candles look, the patterns and everything, and tell me that's like not the same algorithm trading going on. You got Hologram. Was up 17. Actually, it was up a total of 34%. Then you got Newegg. Wiza. These stocks right now, it's looking like a basket full of memes about to like go crazy. Look at that. This is all in the 4-hour chart. Look at that. I'm just literally look Huma. I just want you to look at the candles. They're all finna bust in some way. Look, here goes another one. Look. Blackberry. Blackberry. We're talking about AMC, GME, COS. With the exception of GME and COS halting a couple of times. And we have and then we have BlackBerry from a bottom of, let's see where BlackBerry stood. Where was the bottom of BlackBerry? It was at 246 back in March 19. We're talking about now not much movement, but it did close at 353 in the after hours. We have Beyond, as in former Bed Bath and Beyond, now with Overstock. Nice looking pattern there too as well. You have Beyond Meat. Hello, Beyond Meat. Remember we were talking about this, and after earnings and everything, this literally followed these areas here, and it literally respected these areas. This at the bottom of $7 as major support level. Now had reached this level here at almost 860. Wow. Where was the swing in that? Where were the calls for that, huh? These clouds are looking juicy too. Just crossing over. This is gonna be quite interesting this week, honestly. So a lot of crazy runners, a lot of old names from the previous runs here back in 2021. Zella. Remember Excella Technologies? Even that too was up a little bit. Space, Virgin Galactic, also in the mix of that. Clove, surprisingly, Clove has also been on the move ever since April 22nd. Here at a low of 60 cents, and now approaching 95 cents here. Remember Clove? Pepperidge Farm remembers. And so does Lou. Rest in peace. Anyways, let's go on and check out what's going on with GTII right now. I could have sworn, if you guys have realized, GTII was at 18, almost 19 cents throughout the majority of the market hours today, and for some reason it took a dive back to almost 16 cents. Does anybody have any information in regards to that and why that happened? Look at this. Well, this is going haywire. Okay. Alright, right here. Okay, so we're here. So you can see, like, the whole day it was trading. You had some consolidation from Wednesday through the weekend and some Monday, and Monday right here. So it was bouncing between 18 cents and almost 19. And for some reason we had this little sell-off happening and right back to where this level is. So what is going on with GTII? If there's any type of news, what is going on with that? We're gonna go and see what the cost to borrow is looking like, and it seems that the cost to borrow fee is still decently high from last week, but more shares were added to availability to short. So if that's the case, I think the stock has been a little bit suppressed, and maybe there were some shorts that took advantage and brought the stock back down to this level. And so we gotta go back to the daily and see how that looks. So we're going to zoom in right here. You can see it had been in this range for such a long time, between 35 and 20 cents. And we're trying to get back up to 20 cents, but it seems like they are truly desperate, in my opinion. And you can see here that, like I said, it took an unexpected dive here. The volume for today's trading day was 613,034 shares, and mostly on the sell side. We had this at, again, almost 19 cents on the green, and yeah, unexpected dive. But who knows if that gets bought back over and then we hit a bounce, consolidate, and then try for 20 again. If not, then we could possibly see, if the bearish case scenario were to play out, then I would say this would go back to like 13 cents, 13 and a half, 13 and a half cents. And if it hits 12, then that would be the considered major level of support for this week. You can even see the RSI here. It's trying to pull back, and trying to hit the oversold line again, so we can potentially see that bounce. Let's see. But if the MACD here holds, where's that epic marker that I always like to use? There it goes. So if this, let's say, get out the way. If this scenario plays out, let's say the MACD holds up and it moves away from the red line that's here, then that means that we can get ourselves a little bounce back up and retest 18 cents and try for 20 cents. And that's the bullish case scenario. But if it doesn't, and we experience the yellow line here on the MACD to turn back down and cross below the red line, we could try to retest that line here on the MACD, and RSI 2 would play out the same way, and we would probably get, you know, close to 12 cents again, probably 13 around there, and try to see if we can get a little double bounce, double bottom. So let's see what's going on quickly in the chat. Yeah, they actually suspended costs early in the morning for no reason. Matt, okay. Oh, hi, Matt Gunn. I did too. My cost basis is now 14 cents. Barbara. Shoosh. Nice. All the OG meme stocks except for Mullen. GFD. Yeah, the Mullen. For some reason, it fell almost 6%. So David needs to just join in on the whole meme frenzy, you know. He wants to make a name for himself, even though he's already made it a bad name in general with all those reverse stock splits. Zully says Megan and Barbara did the same with GTII. Yeah, that's pretty much the name of the game too, in my opinion. And it's not financial advice, but what a better way to just dollar cost average your positions. And you know that goes with any other stocks that you're in. If you know you're in it for the long term, and you know that there's certain things that are happening within the markets, in firms and hedge funds and whatever, you know, whatever information you know that you could already foresee the future and what's to come for these stocks. That you know what you hold. You know what you hold. You know what you believe in. That's why you're invested in it. Alright, so doesn't matter, like I said, it could be GTII, Fngr, AMC, GME, OCGN, DBMM, GDC. It'll all eventually have its day in the sun. And of course, what I was trying to explain earlier, to me, and I know that this one of our members on the Discord, Tarajito, he thinks that, you know, the following for GME and AMC is just definitely a swing, but don't hold, because he thinks it's a trap. Now, there was also an issue where people were trying to log into E-Trade and Charles Schwab, and they were having such a hard time, and a lot of people were pissed. But the reason why I'm, referring to what he said is because I still think that it's not really that time yet, but we're almost there. We're close. But the market is still mostly up. You have the SPY that's still in the green at almost $521 a share. When in reality, when all hell breaks loose in the market, everything starts to correct itself, 20-30%, you can imagine. Do you know the amount of margin calls that would be triggered? You know the firms that would be in trouble, all those brokerages. I kid you not, that would have to be, for me, in my opinion, the major catalyst for all the stocks that we hold to finally see that day in the sun. So, when all those shares come to light and they have to cover. And for example, Gtii, and it's been said that it's way more than 500 million shares. I wouldn't even be surprised if it's over 1 billion. Like, I could tell you something for sure, that one day when Gtii decides to see a 10 million share volume day, then you already know something is up. Right? If you see Gtii trade 20 million in volume, then you know something is up. Something is going on. Something is brewing. Because I kid you not, the more that volume increases, and in a rapid fashion, it's gonna be pretty violent, in my opinion. So, but anyway, that's just my take on it. But just to look at the 4 hour real quick to see any more evidence of more downside potential. And yeah, seems like it's almost evident that the MACD here could signal a temporary pullback based on what happened here on that 4 hour candle. And the RSI also needing for this to cool off, and the TTM squeeze. So again, don't be surprised. They're desperate. They're gonna try to pull this back. If we get that bearish case scenario, somewhere around 13 cents, and try to hit the bounce, but no more than 12 cents. All right. Let me do this real quick. So, let's those tunes. It's even the hourly got that big candle there on the hourly. So, overall, actually, okay, so maybe, like I said before, 13.5 to 14 cents. Or here, if this holds within the area and bounces, that can change a little bit, because here on the hourly, the MACD had already crossed a while back, last week, between Thursday and Friday. All right, so you see it kind of the yellow line going further away from the red, so that's bearish divergence. The RSI is actually almost oversold there. Let's see. You got the TTM squeeze here slowly coming back down here. This all needs to just play out the same way with all the other indicators, so we just need it to go flat and then have a nice bounce. All right. So just look out for those levels just in case. Again, not financial advice. 13 to 14 cents bearish case scenario, but if it bounces off where it is at almost 16 cents and we go up, then we can retest back at last high around 18 cents and above. So again, we need 20 cents. We need to reclaim 20 cents and above, and that's in my opinion. All right, let's go to Fngr real quick. So Fngr also had a nice day, almost 8% on the day, and maybe yeah, actually, yeah, we can call it 8%, because it did go a little bit more higher on in after hours. So close at 340, close after hours at 345. All right. Now looking at the daily here, it seems like it's actually trying to trend pretty nicely. And just looking at the EMA clouds here, this cloud is pretty much kind of resembling like a bull flag, if you call it, like a pennant. And since we had printed that last daily candle in the green, back to the upside, I feel as optimistic for Fngr to continue going to the upside and retesting 350. And if it does test 350, then we could see the push, hopefully to 375, around that area, which would be the bullish case scenario. We go on the 4 hour real quick and just to observe. And yes, that actually looks promising for sure, just in the way that this looks and how we had this bounce and more green candles here on the 4 hour chart, burning to the upside and consolidating within this area. Nice engulfed green candle just starting to come right back over again to break 350 and hopefully over 370, 375. So so I have a lookout for that. What is this? What do we got over here? Ah, thank you, Zelly. Thank you for sharing the stream on the Discord. Appreciate you. Just see me doing all of that. But yeah, so far, what are you guys looking forward to see for Fngr? Because it's been having a pretty rough time trying to get to $4 a share, and I feel like Fngr needs that break over $4 a share to see some more move, some more push to the side, to the upside. Yeah, we have a cross here on the MACD. We got a cross, and we have this picking up here. We're flipping the green. RSI is also neutral, but also trying to come back up too as well, following the same thing. Just need more upside for the RSI and the TTM squeeze too. Climbing in momentum, which is what we want to see, and see the start to pick up too as well, to flip to the green side. And that's all we need to see. Obviously, I feel like if this also continues with the other stocks that are rallying, that would be actually pretty cool to see that. Yeah, honestly, I feel like Fngr could have such great potential. I know that in theory, and this is my opinion, of course, but just to speculate, what if people decided, okay, well, what if people from AMC and GME decide, well, you know what? I'm in this play too in Gtii and Fngr, and let's say, I'm gonna take part of my gains from AMC and GME today, and I'm gonna load up on some Gtii and Fngr for tomorrow. Could we see that influx of volume come in for these two tomorrow and expect an unprecedented move to the upside and see Fngr rush to $4. Because I feel like, and let's just put it this way, Immortal, welcome back. Good to see you. Hope you had a great weekend. And just as well as everybody here on the stream, I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend too as well. I caught some of the northern lights or aurora borealis. But with that being said, and it's interesting that you said that, right? Because as retail, and I know that there's always been some type of competition and some type of division going on, and people, trying to say that this stock matters and this stock is way better than this one, and but in theory, we're all just fighting for the same reasons. We're all retail at the end of the day, so why not contribute? Why not help out the cause in other plays? Again, in theory, I'm not saying that this is happening or this is going to happen, but I would speculate that if somebody that comes into massive amount of gains from today's action of AMC and GME, let's say, for example, calls or whatever, and that person decided, well, if they're also a part of the whole Gtii and Fngr debacle, I would think that that person would actually go in to Gtii and Fngr and again see an unprecedented amount of volume into Fngr and Gtii, and all of a sudden now you see Fngr popping. Finger popping. No pun intended. But to see it actually rush to $4 and break over $4, which is what the goal is. And for Gtii to finally break over that last level of resistance at 20 cents and then 35 cents. Mind you, it's a micro cap stock, low float, massively manipulated, of course, but holy crap, all that volume coming into Gtii, and now we see more than 5 million, more than 10 million shares traded. Surprisingly, that amount of volume could potentially make Gtii go crazy. Nobody's seen that before. Just my opinion. So, not that I have a crystal ball or anything like that, but I would not be surprised. I would not be surprised if that actually happened tomorrow and during this week. Because now that you see AMC continue to rally during after hours, and possibly as we're speaking, GameStop is probably $40 right now in overnight trading on Robinhood. I'm gonna go check right now and look at my Robinhood, because I would not be surprised. Where is GameStop right now trading? Okay, well, and guess what? So GameStop overnight is up $7, up 22.91% right now. 37.45 trading overnight. And it says here there is a notice on Robinhood if you are watching this thing trade. It says a market venue for the overnight trading session allows trading within 20% of the reference price of $35.44. Orders priced outside of this band may be canceled. Huh. Interesting. What do you think about that? Anyways, but going back to that theory, I wouldn't be surprised. Because there's still unfinished business to take care of here and everywhere else. So let's see what happens. Immortal says 2 more days to the 15th of May for GTII. Let's see if management continues to sell. And now what is going on the 15th of May? Is it a payday for the people in management, getting their bonuses and whatnot? Okay, so yeah, I'm guessing that's what it is. They're pretty much getting their bonus, or they sell. Yeah, it's like payday. I'm gonna sell this amount of shares. I mean, it's not. Richard have already advised them not to do so. Oh my god. So let's say, what if they do it? So now they're liable. And they can get in trouble. Legally. So was this in the lawsuit that he filed against him? Ooh, I actually like this. I like how this is actually looking on the hourly for Fngr. Very nice. This is very nice here. It's like a pennant just breaking out. So, wow, if that's the case, yeah, we can definitely see that. Yeah, we can definitely see that move to the upside over $3.50. Here you got a nice trend here. We have a nice bounce on the MACD, a curl up on the RSI, and a continuation of the TTM squeeze in the green. Ooh, okay. So yeah, like I said, looking optimistic so far for Fngr. Fngr looking good. Fngr pop it now. Oh yeah, $4 coming soon. And then we go to 40. And then we go to 40. And then we go to 1,000. He mentioned in one of his videos. Okay. Yeah, I haven't really gotten the time to actually look at his videos, but I'm pretty sure that lawsuit has a lot of interesting detail. I figured it would be the only way to do things, to kind of get them, shaking in their seats. Because, you know, honestly, they might as well just hold. I mean, they have enough money as it is. Why would they want to sell and get some more? You know, you're holding for the cause. You're holding for us. You say you care about retail investors. You care about the company and all this stuff. Management, do your job. Listen to your shareholders. All right. Because you definitely have a lot of following, loyal and everything. They've been holding throughout this whole time. Don't screw it up. But anyways, I'm with Fngr right now, and I'm gonna move on to DBMM. And quite honestly, I am also looking at DBMM quite optimistic about this too as well. And if you notice, we have also gotten a nice pop on the day. So we were only, even though we were only up 5% on the day, it's better than being stuck under 0.0060 and 0.0056, where it was once, where it once was last week. So just looking at the daily real quick, I wanted to see what the volume was like, and wow, even the daily looks quite strong. The trend. And for some reason, the volume was actually pretty high compared to Friday. Friday's volume was at 932,647 shares. Today's volume was 3,187,294. And speaking of volume, I'm just going to go and check this real quick and see what the borrow fee is like. And wow, they really put a dent on that one too, because the cost of borrow fee is actually a bit higher now, since 15:45 military time. That's I want to say that's 3:45 in the afternoon Eastern time. 20.7% cost of borrow fees, but they got it stacked at 6 million shares available to borrow. It was 900 at one point, and I feel like that's when in between that time, DBMM had a nice spike, nice bullwhick here on the daily candle. This was at a bottom of 0.005 and a high of 0.0064. May I remind you that these moves are actually a big deal, because this is a micro cap too as well. And when it comes to big pumps, fractions, it's a big deal, because if we go to the chart here, I'm gonna go on TradingView and view this, and we measure from here, let's say from this candle up to this point, that is already in 45 minutes, that's already a 23% move. If you go to the daily, and let's say we measure this move from 0.0036 to the high here on this wick at 0.0067, you're gonna see that this move is at about 85%. So imagine that, right? But overall, and I'm gonna actually put Beyond here because I just saw that name pop up. I got something for you to show. I got Beyond. Shoot, I'm gonna go here in just a second, but nice Bullwick on a daily for DBMM, and a what seems to be the candle actually moving to the upside, and a fat hammer candle, a green candle there, which would indicate that this would push more to the upside and break over 0.0065, and maybe, just maybe, we can test 0.007 and 0.0075 would be the next level of resistance here in this area. I need to expand it just a little bit just to give reference, and right there. Alright, so that would be the levels that we would have to be looking for. Again, the trend here on the daily is actually superb. The way that it's actually climbing up like that. RSI 2 and the TTM squeeze. I wouldn't be surprised if we actually break over and we have another green day for DBMM. So that is actually nice to see. Flirtatious Croissant is back on chat. Good to see you there. And thank you, Zelly, for posting the link to the channel. All the music that you're hearing right now that I'm playing, I made this music, and you can check it out at the link that's pinned on the chat. Concrete Jungle City. Show some love there, and share it to anybody who likes lo-fi, or likes to just chill with the tunes. So yeah, thank you. Flirtatious Croissant says, hello, I assume there wasn't much action on stocks today. You know there was. You definitely know that you were getting your croissant buttered up well and toasted. So, let's see. Barbara says, Richard mentioned the word jail to the oldest board member to get him out. The guy does not want to let go. Richard has some great vids on the whole GTII situation. Not legal advice. Yeah. Yep, that's him. Not legal advice. He'd make a great lawyer too. If you need a great lawyer, call Not Legal Advice. You would have dropped 10K on GME? Oh my god. You would have been printing a lot. But I think, to be honest, with the amount of percentage that well the move that AMC was having, I'm pretty sure you would have gotten more. And the contracts are, I think, a bit cheaper than GME's, if I might say, in my opinion. Only use Crappenhood though? Yeah. I use Robinhood. And surprisingly, it's actually doing better. It's actually doing good in the stocks. I haven't really checked out where Robinhood is at right now. Oh, it's at 17.17. Looks like it's slowly uptrending here on the 4-hour. So, heck, it'll be funny if Robinhood actually went up in price. So, let's check out Beyond. See what's happening right now on Fintel. And this is massive. I can't believe I'm actually seeing this, but look at that. Days range from $7.20 at open to a high of $8.19. 52-week range for Beyond Meat is $5.58 on the low and $19.25 on the high. Extended hours before close was $8.50, and Beyond closed at $7.96. So one heck of a move for that. And I wanted to grab the attention of the stats here. The short interest ratio, 25.22 days to cover. Why is that number so high? And on top of that, the short interest percentage from the float is at 40.97%. As of 15 hours ago, updated 20 minutes ago, you got no shares available to borrow. And the cost to borrow is actually increasing from a minimum of 173.60 to 195.33 from start to max. I would like to say, flirtatious, that those June calls, not financial advice, June 21st, I think those would actually print. Honestly, if you're talking about $10 calls for June 21st, I think those would do pretty well, especially in this rally. But I'm just waiting to see if this rally continues. But as we look at GameStop right now, on my phone, GameStop is actually 25% up overnight trading hours. It's up $7.64 as we're live. $38.10. So it's quite damn possible, actually, more than likely, for GameStop to actually hit $40 tomorrow. So by all means, even if this is the case, y'all, you never know what the possibility is, and you never know if this is just a rally. But then again, maybe it's not the rally that you think it is. Because honestly, like I said before, ooh, Barbara, thank you. And I just bit my lip for the 5th, 6th time today, and I'm in pain. Oh my God, my lip. Why does this happen to me? Oh my God. Oh jeez. Oh, that hurts. Ooh. If you notice here, the last 2 minutes of after hours trading, you got a order here, buy order, that went through for 11,834 shares at $8.56 a share. Oh, I think I'm bleeding. Oh, that hurts. Oh, you have $8, $9, and $12 contracts? Shoot, you're loaded. Because look at this chain right here. From the $8 strike all the way to the $15 strike. You got over 100% gains. You got the $12 strike over 280 percent up here. So yeah, these contracts are moving for sure. I'd say he does. I think the freaking value has something up his sleeve, and he has a lot where that came from, for sure. So, by all means. Oh my god. It's gotta be the worst thing ever. When you bite a part of your lip and you just hear that crunch, but over time you keep biting the same part over and over again, you're in pain. Oh shoot. That is the worst feeling. Especially when you're eating and you're trying to like enjoy your food, and that's the wrong meat that you're biting into. No diddy. So yeah, let's talk about it. Let's go to Beyond right now. So what we got going on in the daily? You say a golden cross shower. Well, here I would like to say that we have a nice bounce here on the clouds. Let's see. Let me look at Beyond from here. This point. BAYND. Yeah. Hold on. Man, why is it so loud? Overall, I mean, the trend looks nice. Look at that MACD here. Nice bounce. RSI with a nice bounce. TTM squeeze just turning back green. I think if this were to rally and continue to the upside, yeah, $9 could be potentially the next level we hit for Beyond. Look at the 4 hour too. Oh man, look at this crossover right here between the 8 and the 21, and then the VWAP here. It's trading above the VWAP. We got here the golden shower cross right here on the MACD. Beautiful. The momentum here is just about to flip green on the TTM squeeze. You can see it right here, how this goes for reference. So we pretty much need this over here and to start climbing up as well. If you have this momentum, just like here, then you will most likely get the nice juicy rip to the upside and that nice wop VWAP to test $9 and maybe above that, and have a little rally of its own and follow with GME and AMC and others. Yeah, we're talking about stocks, flirtatious croissant. What's wrong with you? Mark R. Hello. All better later than ever. Late than ever. Mark, where have you been? And welcome back. Meme Monday? It's Right. Oh my God. As of right now, I can't even talk. I need to eat. So as of right now, GameStop right now still moving, going up like crazy, volatile as hell. People are trading overnight. GameStop is at $39.22 right now. Overnight trading 28.75%, almost up $9. Wow. We're probably gonna see $40 within the next 10 minutes or so, maybe. That's crazy. Wow, look at that. Are you guys checking out Robinhood? It's still going. That is beyond crazy. I'm glad to see it. Glad to see it. But yeah, man, how's everything with you, Mark? How was your weekend? Again, check out Beyond. Wanted to show you real quick that there was no shares available to borrow. So 15 hours ago. Short interest ratio 25.22 days to cover. The short interest percent of the float 40.97%. And max cost to borrow at 195.33%. Overnight trading. No, it was at it's how do you call it? It's on Robinhood. It's on Robinhood. But for some reason it doesn't let me. Not sponsored, by the way. Damn, what is going on? I thought I was logged in. Okay. Maybe, just maybe. Where am I? No, what is? How do I look at that though? Overnight trading on. Can we look at? No, we can't. Can't even look at it from here. What is this? No. Can we see it from here? No. Of course, I gotta log. Of course, I gotta log in. Oh no, give me a second. I have to. Oh gosh, I gotta. Here, I got an idea. I got an idea. Give me 1 second. Oh my goodness. GameStop over 30% right now. $39.65. I am not kidding you right now, but if this is the case, then by all means, I think we're going to see this break over 40, and then AMC will continue to rally and probably hit $7, in my opinion. Oh my god. All right, perfect. Now I can show you exactly what I'm talking about right now on my Twitter. Suck a bow. So apparently, yeah, this is what I'm seeing right now. Look at that. Look at that. Over 30%. Dude, right now, GameStop is about to hit 40. GameStop is about to hit $40 right now, just 5 cents away, 2 cents away, 1 cent away. $40. Officially $40. That is crazy. Actually, around 8:10 to 8:20, GME actually hit 41.30 in the after hours, but now we're back to $40.14 and going up. That is insane. What? Oh my god. Oh man. $40.20. Oh man. What is oh gosh. Oh gosh, this is oh my god. Jimmy is going nuts, bro. Shut our screen off, don't want to see your don't have much liquid beat, but always what is this? Lion and Zalacious. Hope you sprinkle some Benjamins on that Beyond. We need that 2-carat engagement ring for real, for real. Wow. What? Wow. Doing great. Thank you for asking. We had a great weekend with my wife, daughter, and our new puppy. I've been working on training the puppy. Yeah. How is that going? How's the training with the puppy? Oh my god, I really need you know what? Hold on. I'm transitioning my screen right now because I need to really just Uh-huh. 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 Yeah. Well, what? What are you? Oh my god! Of course. What? No, really? How? You gotta be shitting me. God, man. Wow, this is it's really climbing like that. You serious right now? Wow. Wow. Unbelievable. Where? Okay. There we go. I got it. Ready? There it goes. There he goes. I got it. Showing for $40.38, bouncing back between 40, 32, 40, 30. Oh, 40, 55. Okay. That's a big jump. 40, 30, 40, 30, 40, 23, 40, 23, 40, 30, 40, 22, 40, 24, 40, 14. They're in a battle right now with the shorts, and they're pretty much what can I say? Lucky, help me out here. Jiggle my balls, but wow. I mean, this action looks really good right now. All right, GameStop right now at 40.18. Wait, 40.14. Wait, 49. What? I can't keep up because there's a lot of bouncing up and down, just like Lucky's balls, and yeah, it's really struggling to stay above 40 right now. And gosh, I don't know. It's crazy right now. All right, you guys. Okay, relax. We're just here. Sub 40 right now. They're trying to keep GameStop. They're trying to keep GameStop from hitting $40 because the Bulls are in CJYL, not GTII. Alright? So now they're bringing it down from here 40 because they're upset that we are now winning. Alright? And I like to support, You want to go to the tweets? Roaring kitty. Oh my god, he just keeps posting. He just posted an hour ago. The kitty. What is he right here? It previously occurred to me that the kitty had taken the demise of his stock rather lightly. Oh, I think he's about to shoot the kitty. For every action, there's a reaction. And a pikey reaction is quite a fucking thing. What are we watching here? I don't know what... Is this like AI generated here? What is this? With a bang, bang, bang. I am way too young to lie here forever. Well, it's too late for me because I'm already old and my boy Lucky, we're close there and all brittle and bones. Yeah. Oh boy. So yeah, a lot of interesting trailers here, and wow, he's been posting up a storm. That's crazy. Can you imagine what would happen if he actually showed up on stream? Like he literally comes back to his YouTube channel and he streams tomorrow. How that would actually do? I mean, what would that actually do to GME and AMC? You must wonder how that's even possible. Huh. Very interesting indeed. So right now, we're in some ways this is actually looking like a double top. It's a little double top here. See it right there? So this could, eventually probably start to fall back down around here, around the 37 range maybe. Where's this at? No, actually 33 to 35, around that level here. If it actually fulfills this type of trading pattern. So, I mean, what if we were faced with a fake rally? Let's just speculate here. If we were here faced with a fake rally, I mean, what would you think? You would think that this would actually start to break back down and try to retest these levels here back at what do we got here? $28 to $30, and then try to hold support at 30. So, I think that would be something possible if that was a bearish case scenario. And then maybe, you could probably get in a little cheaper and hop in there. But whoa, what is this? Did you see that right now? Look at that jump. Wow. This thing jumped from 39.47, 39.49 to from 39.40, 39.50 to $40.80. What a jump. That was massive. I wonder how much volume it took for that jump to occur. That is crazy. Let me see if we can do this in advance. Oh, okay, cool. Can change this to candlesticks right now, and maybe try to zoom in a little bit. Or no, I don't think this is possible. But yeah, right. It almost seems like it was like a delayed order. But they're really trying to take this to they're trying to hold it below $40 because they know what will happen if they actually fail and try to actually break over past $40, $42, probably $45 when the pre-market opens. But you can see it. They're kind of in the struggle right now. This is the 5-minute interval too, just by looking at this chart. Also, in terms of how do you call it? In terms of how the trend is looking like on the 8-day moving average, and you got the 50 and then the 200. It looks like it could just try to break over 42, at least 42 to 45. I've never worked with Robinhood's chart because I think it's basic as hell. Can't do much on this chart at all. I even look at the MACD. That's why I feel like TradingView should unlock 24-hour charting, so that way we wouldn't really have to rely on this lame chart, Robinhood chart. I'm sorry, but I think they really need to fix on this. They need to fix this and make it possible for you to zoom in. You can't even do anything. Like, I'm here clicking and trying to move the price up and down. You can't do anything like of that matter. That doesn't work with Shlong though. Oh god. Turn off MACD and RSI and make it bigger. I could do that right now. Like this. There you go. Thank you, Matt. It's just the fact that I can't zoom in more at all. It just sucks. Well, there you go. So that works. As a matter of fact, let's see what's happening with SPY quickly. Let's see how that's doing. And wow, so SPY is down 17 cents. SPY was, I think, closed at 520.97, I believe. So I think I think right now it's trying to cross under and it's trying to trade below, and perhaps maybe we see SPY come down to 520.50. Wait, you want something smaller than the 5-minute? I don't understand why they don't have why don't they have that? it just, I don't know, it's weird, but like, let's see, 1 day, 1 month, 5 minute, it's trash. Like, Like, if you're gonna be like better than other brokerages, at least like add in to the charts the 1 minute intervals and everything else, and make your charts zoomable so I can actually zoom in. You know, like keep up with the program, Vlad. Everybody's advanced but you. You expect us to get your gold card. I'm here just talking crap right now. Let's see. But yeah, let's check Tesla real quick. Let's see what that piece of is doing, because I literally don't understand what Tesla was doing today. Tesla was for some reason rallying here from the bottom of 169, and this thing went all the way to like 175 and change, and then started selling off from here. I don't know what's going on with Tesla, but I just really want Tesla to rug pull. I don't care if it's tomorrow. But can it just rug pull to like 100? Please, Elon. I beg of you. Hear my wish. Grant it, please. At least drop it to like 150. People with the damn doors right across this. Fucking idiot, bro. Fucking idiot, yo. I hate that shit. My bad. Let's see what's going on with what else is 24 hours? Well, we got Nvidia. Nvidia is looking like it's wanting to sell off too as well. 900 below. You had the lowest here at that big wick here. 9:50 in the morning Friday. Just around like $885. You already know this trend here, so we could get back to these levels later on this month. Who knows? What do we have? What else we got? Apple. Apple looks like it's actually consolidating and wanting to actually go up. That's interesting. Not what we want, but okay. QQQ. Oh, QQQ is actually a lot more red than SPY right now. And the lowest here that it reached here as of Friday, 115, was 441.67. So, yeah, I think overall, if you're looking at it from the longer time frame, what is this? Oh my gosh! Yeah, this chart is whack. My God. Let's go back to GME real quick. GameStop, the fund that don't stop. Okay, so it's back down below $40 right now. Trying to hold steady and try to break again. It's 39.78. It's bouncing. I wish there was a time and sales for 24-hour trading. And yeah, I would probably get a better idea of what's happening. But look at that, $39.99, $40. Yeah, I think overall, if this continues to consolidate around this area, we might as well just open up pre-market at $40 and above. But right now, I'm just saying, not financial advice, you know, at your own risk, be careful, because again, we don't know if this rally is indeed the rally that we're all thinking about, and this could be a trap for nakeds to, you know, do their dirty and be like, haha, psych, and then all of a sudden we we see this essentially coming back down to these lows here around 28.30 and consolidate within this range. And from there, you know, we would see what happens. And the same thing would do with AMC as well. Or potential of that to also come down with GME because it actually did rally with it in cost and others. And from there on, we'll see what tomorrow holds for us in this meme frenzy. Anyways, I think yeah, there's a lot going on in the background. I'm sorry about this loud noise. And I'm gonna go on ahead and quickly look at the short interest for GME. Actually, no, I gotta do this. I have to do this. What is... Oh, the short interest here is 24% of the float. 2 days to cover. No shares available to borrow here as of 21 hours ago. Cost to borrow for some reason is a little bit lower. Let me see. So why is this TV so loud? I have no idea. Well, I'm about to end the stream in a little bit right now. I just wanted to see AMC's short interest right now at 18.82%, 1.89 days to cover. So it's actually going lower. No shares available to borrow as of 3 hours ago, updated 25 minutes ago. And cost to borrow is just really 248, 268. So again, I would say be aware, be careful, and yeah, just at your own risk. Don't be afraid to take some off the table. All right, set your limits and stuff. You know, because I'm just saying, because knowing the fact that SPY is still around these highs at 520, 521. Just be careful. With that being said, I'm gonna be out. I'm gonna end the stream. Thank you to everybody who joined today. It was quite fun. Who was it? Matt K, Zelly, Immortal, Mad Gun, Mark R, Flirtatious Croissant, Barbara, Options, what was it? What was his name? Options Tracker? Was it Option Tracker? I don't want to get the name wrong, but you already know who you are. Thank you for stopping by on the stream, and thank you everybody. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. Sheesh. Let's hope the molasses tomorrow, but if not, please be careful. Play it safe, and remember, there's no wrong answer for you to do what you gotta do. All right, in case if this is a big ass trap, and that time is not now, but yet we're still close. So hang in tight. Much love to everybody. Big, giant hugs. Love, peace, happiness, wealth, and health. Just like Mark R always says. Zelly. That guy. Just say that guy. Yeah. That guy. Yeah, that guy, man. First time I ever see him. Anyways, yeah, have a great night, and we'll see each other in the next stream. This has been your stream with yours truly, Lion of all trades. Yeah. Ellie, te amo. Good night, everybody.